Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable bases for project management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Airtable website at airtable.com. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. For existing users, click on Log In and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your workspace dashboard. To create a new base, locate the plus Add a Base button. Click on this button to start the base creation process. You have the option to start from scratch or use a template. Select your preferred option by clicking on either Start from Scratch or Browsing Templates. If you choose to use a template, take some time to explore the available options. Once you've made a selection, click on it to preview the base. After reviewing the template, click the Use Template button to add it to your workspace. Now that your base is created, you'll see an empty table by default. To rename your base, click on the base name at the top of the screen. Type in your new name and press Enter to save it. Next, you can add fields to your table by clicking on the column headers. Choose the type of field you want to create, such as single-line text, attachment, or checkbox. To add a new field, click on the plus icon next to the last column. After inserting your fields, you can customize each one by clicking its header. To add a new row, click on the empty cell in the first column of the last row. Fill in your project details by typing in the relevant information. Continue adding rows and filling in the necessary project data. To create additional tables within your base, look for the Table tabs at the top. Click on the plus icon to add a new table. In the new table, repeat the process of adding fields and rows as needed. You can rearrange fields by simply dragging them to your desired position. Use the filter and sort options to manage your project data effectively. To link tables together, create a new field and select the link to another record type. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.